What's up, guys? What's going on with you? What's going on with you guys? Take a look. This guy already finished. He already finished. You don't want any more, puppy? Come on. Just a little bit more. There we go. Hey guys, just want to say hello. I'm here by myself, taking care of the puppies, taking care of dogs downstairs, working dogs, exercising dogs, doing all kinds of stuff. I had a guy that came and helped me today outside, but soon I will be in the United States. Soon I will be with Terrence Crawford, Pitbull Cruz, WBC, Turkey Lashida event. And we'll see what happens, guys. Just want to say hello to you guys. Appreciate you guys coming in all the time, tuning in. You know who I support, in case you wonder. Only in soccer, Messi. I will go against the United States in soccer, going for Messi. Look at this beautiful puppy. You know, a lot of times people don't see these things. This is what it takes, man. Long nights, hard work, dedication, long time. Soon, I'm going to be making some videos right from the jungle, working my dogs, taking care of my dogs. I think it's going to be sensational, especially for you guys. Looking at me working at the dogs during the daytime in the jungle. You know, you'll hear the dogs screaming and everything, and that'll be nice. Thais is bringing me, I want to say hello to my friend Tarek and Tati. Thais is bringing me 2 dogs. I want to say to my friend Wojtek as well. 2 dogs directly out of My Lady. My Lady was a real game dog from Little My Sister to Atos, from Busha, Little My Sister to Rakata and Pichenka. And that's a good puppy. It's pretty good. You don't need more than that. And that is a real nice dog, real nice dogs that I get from her. We bred her to Red Hollings. Red Hollings was a red dog to the nails. Red all the way down to the nails. And he came from Masaquata, which is probably the best dog in the litter, from Copper Day. You know, the whole litter, Mayday, Grand Champion Copperhead. And so we took that and we bred it back to the Bagman. Absolutely, King Amok and Real Baby. And so that dog was special. Rest in peace, my friend Jesus. You know, he used to have him, and we made a deal. Listen to this story, it's very interesting. We made a deal that if anything happened to Jesus, and we said it like really just to be formal, we shake hands. Those are real men, not like these scumbags today. I say, if anything happens to Jesus, these dogs, Red Hollings, and some other dogs as well, they will be coming back to me. You know, we said those dogs will be coming back to me. And Red Hollings and Jesus was training his dogs. And while he was training his dogs, he took a nap. And in the middle of the nap, he had a heart attack and passed away. Unfortunately for him and his wife and his daughter and his son, Echo. So what happens is he didn't trust anybody. He didn't tell people where he had his dogs and stuff like that. Some people knew about him, but he was hey guys, hey. He was a real tough guy. So people wouldn't mess with him or nothing. But he didn't trust people. He had the same opinion about me as far as if you say dogman is most than likely a scumbag. And so, while they were burying him in his burial, you know, the family was at the funeral. I'm sorry, not that. Yeah, well, they were burying him. Funeral. The so-called dogmen, the swampers, those bootlickers, ass kissers, went over to his house and stole some of his dogs. And Red Hollings was one of the ones that survived. So his brother gave me back my dog, as he knew how the deal was. And that's where Red Holdings come from, which is Bachman and Mazacuata. He really loved the dog. So we bred Red Holdings to my lady, which is the same pedigree like I told us from Busha. And the only male alive of those that I have is coming back to me. You know, different teams have to work very hard to preserve the dog for me, and he's coming to me. Very special dog, and acts extremely well, performs very well. And one daughter of Gumball, which is a winner, bred back to my lady, sensational female, coming back to me as well. They'll be here to be part of my breeding program. And I just remember Jesus right now as I'm talking with you guys. I wasn't planning to talk about Jesus, but rest in peace, Jesus. He was an outstanding guy. And you know, when we met with Jesus, he didn't like me. He thought I was cocky, but he kept coming to the places. He saw me and he would bet against me. One day he realized, he said, I can't be betting against you. You're different. I noticed you're different. We became friends after that, after some years. And we became very good friends, respectable friends, men of honor. And man, it's so sad that men of honor sometimes passed away. You got these scumbags hanging around. Can you believe? I don't want to say, because I said these things about Latin America, you're going to have a lot of people, you know, butt hurt. But he's from Europe. Jesus is from Europe. Incredible. Guys, be safe out there. I still got a male and female. Only for the best people. God bless you guys.